Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in today's video I'll be reviewing the RedRagon Kuruma mechanical gaming keyboard. This one has the red switches in it, so you just have your basic stuff on the side and your stuff on the box. This is the box, obviously. Comes with a keycap puller. So yeah, these are the Cherry MX red switches, I believe. So that's the box. Right up there. So now onto the keyboard. This is the keyboard itself. I'm take and show you a Cherry MX red switch. It'll focus right there. Opening up tabs on my computer, but yeah, it's just a little simple pen like this, and push that back down and on. My computer just opened something there, but yeah, this keyboard, highly recommend it. This keyboard's like 30-40 bucks. I'm pretty sure it's like an 80-85%. Mechanical sounding keyboard. There's multiple functions that you can take and do from here with your function, and so now every time I click it'll do that. Sorry for not being focused. Now you can do function again, and you have your normal effect, I'm pretty sure. Do it again. It's every key you click on. Again. Your fade effect should be. Yep. Now it just says that animation. That's one of my favorites. Click it again. That. Again. Now it's on fade. So I had it on before. Now you can go function by numbers 8. That lights it up for all your games. 7, 6, 5. For instance, 2. I can't reach 1 with one hand. But 1 will only light up these and these, meaning it's your game loadout. So let's put it back. Stock. And you can take and change your brightness by holding function. And down here, as you can see, it's very dim, and then I turn it up and it gets brighter. Off. Back up. You can slow it down. Turn it up. Change the function. So it's really, really quick. Slow it down. Like this. Turn it up and now it's faded really quick. I don't like that. I like it on slow fading. So yeah, that's a RedRagon K552 Kuruma with red switches. Highly, highly recommend this keyboard. See, it works. Yeah, this is my setup, guys. Sounds very well. I should do a typing test in this video. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, just like, subscribe, and comment. So, oh yeah, and this thing has rubber feet. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm taking lift the keyboard up real quick. It has rubber feet. I would recommend putting them up, but I also have a hole through my mouse pad that I run my keyboard wire under. My mouse is just the CyberPower one that comes with your CyberPower PC. It also comes with the keyboard, but the keyboard is junk. So over here's your menu. For instance, I will click caps lock. Now it'll light up. If I click scroll, okay, it'll light up. So yeah, that's the RedRagon K552 keyboard. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.